Welcome to ProFit Outdoor Kitchens. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through assembling your ready-to-finish kitchen with a step-up bar. Keep these quick tips in mind for a smooth build. Finally, gather up your safety gear and tools. And let's get building. We'll begin by connecting the back panel to your side panels. Using the self-drilling screws from Bag A, secure the side panel by drilling from the outside directly into the heavy-gauge extruded aluminum frame. Repeat this exact process for the opposite side. Next, position your front panel in place. Just like before, use the screws from Bag A to fasten both side panels to the front panel, drilling from the outside in. Now it's time to start locking the core structure in place. Look inside the module to locate the pre-attached metal L brackets in each upper and lower corner. Using the screws from Bag B, secure all L brackets firmly into the frame. There's one quick thing to do before moving on. Make sure to remove the temporary panel track at the bottom of the front frame. It's just there to keep the frame secure during transportation. Next, let's install the interior support panel labeled F, which features pre-attached corner brackets. Place it inside the frame on the spot where you find a matching F sticker. Use a square to align it to the frame. Fasten all 4 brackets securely to the kitchen frame using the screws from Bag F. Now, let's attach the step-up bar feature. Position the bar front panel into place along the top edge. Secure it by fastening the pre-attached corner brackets directly into the bar panel. Make sure to do this on both the left and right sides, as well as the support F panel of the kitchen, so it is completely locked in. Finally, let's install the reinforcement crossbars to support your specific appliances. Position the crossbars inside the designated cutouts for your grill or side burner. Fasten them securely to the front and back frame using the screws from Bag C. And just like that, your frame is fully assembled. You are ready to personalize it with your finishes, countertops, and appliances.